Amazon is a shopping behemoth. Millions of people turn to it every day to find products. Before they buy, many shoppers watch review videos. This is where you come in. You need to make sure your videos get seen. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is the art of making your content visible on search engines like Google. Without SEO, your videos are lost in the sea of online content. SEO is like putting a giant flashing neon sign above your stall. It screams, "Come check this out." This guide will walk you through the essentials of Amazon review video SEO. Keywords are the bedrock of SEO. They are the words and phrases people type into search engines when looking for information. For Amazon review videos, you need to target keywords related to the product and the intention behind the search. Think like your viewers. What would someone type in to find a review of this product? Let's say you're reviewing a coffee maker. Keywords like best coffee maker under $100, coffee maker review, or how to use coffee maker brand and model are good starting points. There are various tools available to help you find the right keywords. Google Keyword Planner is a great free option. Other tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush offer more in-depth data. Once you have a list of relevant keywords, you need to use them strategically in your video title, description, and tags. Don't stuff keywords in an unnatural way. This will hurt your ranking rather than helping it. Instead, focus on using keywords naturally and organically within your content. Remember, relevance is key. The better your keywords match what your viewers are searching for, the higher your video will rank in search results. Your video title and description are your first chance to grab a viewer's attention. They are the virtual storefront displays of your video. A compelling title and description can be the difference between a click and a scroll. Your title should be concise, attention-grabbing, and accurately reflect your video's content. Include your primary keyword in the title, preferably at the beginning. For example, instead of "my thoughts on this coffee maker," use target keyword, "coffee maker review," brand and model. This immediately tells viewers what the video is about and includes relevant keywords for search engines. Your description should provide more context about your video. Use this space to expand on your title, highlight key features, and include a call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and check out the product link in the description. Don't forget to sprinkle in a few relevant keywords throughout the description. A well-crafted title and description are essential for attracting viewers and ranking well in search results. You've attracted viewers with your optimized title and description. Now, you need to keep them hooked. The content of your video is paramount. No amount of SEO can save a boring or low-quality video. Start strong with a compelling hook that grabs the viewer's attention in the first few seconds. Clearly state the product you are reviewing and what viewers can expect from your video. Be honest, authentic, and provide valuable insights. Don't be afraid to inject your personality into the video. People connect with people. Showcasing your personality makes your videos more relatable and engaging. Use high-quality visuals and audio. Nobody wants to watch a blurry video with muffled sound. Invest in a good microphone and ensure your video is well lit. Maintain a good pace and avoid rambling. Edit your videos to keep them concise and engaging. Remember, your goal is to provide value to your viewers while keeping them entertained. Section 5. Lights, camera, optimization, technical SEO tips for videos. Beyond keywords and content, there are technical aspects to SEO that can boost your video's visibility. These elements tell search engines what your video is about, making it easier for them to categorize and rank your content. First and foremost, choose the right video file format. MP4 is generally the best option for compatibility and quality. Ensure your video file size is reasonable. Large files can slow down loading times, leading to a poor viewer experience. Use a descriptive file name that includes your target keyword. For example, instead of video 123, MP4, use target keyword coffee maker review. MP4. This helps search engines understand what your video is about. Closed captions are not just for accessibility, they also provide search engines with a text-based version of your video content, improving searchability. By paying attention to these technical details, you make it easier for search engines to understand and rank your videos. Section 6. The power of analytics, tracking your success. Once your videos are live, it's crucial to track their performance. YouTube Analytics provides valuable data that can help you understand what's working and what's not. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, click-through rate, and traffic sources. Watch time is a crucial metric. It tells you how long viewers are engaged with your content. Audience retention shows you where viewers are dropping off, indicating areas that need improvement. Click-through rate, CTR, measures how often people click on your video after seeing it in search results. A low CTR might indicate that your title and thumbnail are not compelling enough. Traffic sources tell you where your viewers are coming from, whether it's from YouTube search, suggested videos, or external websites. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas for improvement. Experiment with different titles, thumbnails, and content styles to see what resonates with your audience. Analytics are a powerful tool for refining your SEO strategy and maximizing your video's reach. Section 7. Don't be a stranger. Promote your videos. Creating great content and optimizing it for SEO is crucial, but don't expect viewers to magically find your videos. You need to actively promote them. Share your videos on your social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, wherever your audience hangs out. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and run contests or giveaways to boost engagement. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Cross-promote each other's videos to reach a wider audience. Embed your videos on your website or blog if you have one. Reach out to relevant online communities and forums, sharing your video if it adds value to the conversation. Remember, promotion is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that should be integrated into your overall video marketing strategy. The more you promote your videos, the more visibility they gain, leading to more views, subscribers, and ultimately, more sales. Section 8. The changing tides of SEO, staying ahead of the curve. SEO is not a static set of rules, it's a constantly evolving landscape. What works today might not work tomorrow. Algorithms change, user behavior evolves, and new trends emerge. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be adaptable and continuously learn. Stay informed about the latest SEO updates and best practices. Subscribe to industry blogs, follow SEO experts on social media, and join online communities to stay in the loop. Experiment with different strategies and analyze the results. Don't be afraid to try new things. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand what works best for your niche and audience. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. By staying informed, adapting to changes, and continuously optimizing your content, you can maintain and grow your viewership over the long term. Section 9. Building your brand. Consistency is key. In the crowded world of YouTube, building a strong brand is crucial for standing out. Consistency is key to establishing your brand identity. Use consistent branding elements across your channel, such as your logo, color scheme, and video intro and outro. This creates a cohesive and recognizable brand experience for your viewers. Develop a unique voice and style for your videos. Are you humorous and lighthearted, or are you informative and to the point? Whatever your style, be authentic and consistent. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency builds trust and familiarity with your viewers, turning casual viewers into loyal subscribers. Remember, you are not just creating videos, you are building a brand. A strong brand resonates with viewers, builds loyalty, and ultimately leads to long-term success. Section 10. Reaping the rewards. More views, more subscribers, more sales. By mastering SEO and implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you'll start reaping the rewards of your efforts. Increased visibility in search results will lead to more views on your videos. More views mean more exposure for your content and your affiliate links. Engaging content will keep viewers hooked, increasing watch time and encouraging them to subscribe to your channel for more valuable content. As your channel grows, so does your influence and credibility. This can lead to collaboration opportunities with brands and other YouTubers, further expanding your reach. Ultimately, the more traffic you drive to your Amazon affiliate links, the higher your chances of converting viewers into buyers, resulting in increased earnings. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and effort, but with dedication, consistency, and a solid understanding of SEO, you can achieve your goals and build a thriving channel. Section 11. Your journey to Amazon review video domination. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to boost your Amazon review videos to new heights. Remember, SEO is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Embrace the learning process, stay adaptable, and never stop optimizing your content. Your viewers are waiting to discover your valuable insights. So go out there, create amazing content, optimize it for search, and watch your channel soar to success. The world of Amazon review videos is yours to conquer. Now go out there and make your mark.